Timely and tragic death of Bob Marley's younger brother, Anthony Booker. Anthony Booker, the younger brother of Bob Marley, lived much of his life away from the global spotlight that followed his famous sibling. Yet his story took a tragic and violent turn, ending in a way that shocked those who knew the Marley family's quiet resilience. His death became one of the lesser-known but heartbreaking chapters in the legacy of Jamaica's most iconic family. Anthony was the son of Cedella Booker, Bob's mother, and unlike Bob, he was not involved in music or public life. He lived a modest and often private existence, sometimes traveling between Jamaica and the United States, particularly Miami, where members of the Marley family had settled. Though not as well known, he remained close to his mother, and his life was tied to the family's story of struggle, faith, and perseverance. In early 1990, tragedy struck. Anthony Booker was shot and killed in Miami, Florida. The teenage son of Cedella Booker and the younger half-brother of Bob Marley was just 19 years old when his life ended in a fatal shootout with Miami police. His death did not happen on a stage or in the spotlight.